Sabihin natin po sa kanila, sa mga kamag-anak nyo, showing na po ang movie namin ni Sian sa July 31. Ang bakit di ka crush ng crush mo? Sino may gusto? Hawawa na sa meron ka lang!
What's your name, sir?
I'm Daniel.
Daniel, and
Lizette.
Daniel, what's your surname, sir?
It's Garrity.
Are you Filipino?
Half Filipino. My mum's from Bohol. My dad's English.
And you?
My mum's from Pasig City, my dad's from UK.
Oh, yes.
We're both half, yes.
What do you think of today's event? What's the significance of this to you as a Filipino?
Basically just a chance for us to see the Filipino culture, Filipino food, Filipino dance, Filipino entertainment.
The entertainment, I think, and the weather.
You like the weather today?
Yeah.
Hello Philippines! We are here with Keisha. Kumusta na mga aming kamag-anak sa Pilipinas?
I'm Sharon. I'm Lavinia.
I'm Jameson.
Aliana again.
Okay. You did the performance today, yeah? What can you say about it?
It was really fun. We backup danced for Kimchi.
Yeah.
And we enjoyed it.
She's such a nice person to work with, so it was good.
My parents are in Dubai at the moment, my mother and father, so hi to my family in Dubai and in the Philippines.
Yeah, I'll just say hi to all my aunties and uncles and cousins in the Philippines.
Yeah, the Lopez family and the Rufo family.
What do? You sing?
Yeah, I sing and dance.
You sing.
Same.
Are you in a group here? Are you
No, we're all friends here, and there's three of
You
us.
you have no agent, you have no school.
We used to be part of a group, but
Which group?
It was a long time ago. Some guitar.
So what do? Do you work here?
Yeah, we both work in Hammersmith, London. I work for Disney and she works for L'Oreal. Disney, the head office, yeah. Walt Disney.
You make movies.
I'm an analyst, so a different part.
You
But
can be my bridge.
The food's very nice.
It's a great place. It's great.
Are you a Filipino?
I am Polish, but I like to get into the Filipino festivals. They're very colorful. They're very they're very celebrated.
There's a lot to celebrate as Filipinos, yeah? They always have events. And
Oh yeah, it's just very fun in general.
And how's your parents?
Sorry?
What's your parent does here?
Nothing.
Nothing. And you want to say something? You look like someone else. Like Raver. You're gonna say cheese today.
You still look like someone famous.
Hello, kumusta ho kayo? Balita ko kayo daw ngayon ang couple of the year.
Ang balita nyo ay tama.
Tama ba yun? Talaga inamin, Diyos ko, inamin talaga.
Hindi, joke lang.
Expose na natin.
Nakog doon.
O sige, ano na? Revelation na to, revelation.
Alam ko off the record. Sorry.
O sige. Kayong dalawa, ano masasabi ngayong araw? Masaya ba kayo?
Kami ba tinatalo mo yung Barrio Fiesta?
Hindi. Pwede rin. Bahala na kayo sagutin ko na yung sagot sa tanong.
Hindi, masaya naman, di ba? Kasi
Masaya is that the mood is very festive. The venue is much bigger. Kala mo ah!
Ano eh, bugis-gis ang bugis-gis eh.
Dito ka kaya sa kabila.
Ah, sige.
Yan. Mas magandang angle yan. Sige, anong sabi mo, Port?
Kasi yung ikumpisa sa George TV.
Wala naman kami dapat
O sige, scoop, exclusive. George TV, okay.
Na-speechless for the first time. Di ba pagsalita?
Are you... Teka, magtatanong ako. Are you both, single, ready to mingle?
Ang ganda ng question niya. Si Por siguro yung una.
We're ready to mingle, but we're not single anymore.
You're not single anymore, but on the way.
On the way.
Nagki-clearing. Expedite nyo na, expedite. Para official na, no?
We're just good friends, so.
Ganun lang. Ay, nireject.
Sabay ka rin, ano?
Oo naman eh, we're friends. Diba? Oo.
Hindi nang alam ng buong mundo, eh.
Gano'n ba kami kasikat para malaman ng buong mundo kung anong...
Oo nga eh. Bakit ngayon? Ang sikreto yung ginawa nyo, bakit bigla kayong bumulusok kayo tao?
Bakit nga ba
Parang gusto ko yatang
Facebook
gayahin.
kasi. Yung Facebook eh, alam mo eh. You live by the sword, you die by the
Okay,
sword.
so anong mga latest? Anong mga gusto nyong gawin? Anong mga pasabog ang darating?
Pasabog?
Hopefully sa mga future events meron pa. So, hopefully on George TV.
On George TV.
I hope George TV will be partnering with us, especially doing all the videos, the
photography.
Yeah, who's going to talk to me about it?
Carol will.
Carol? Si Carol, what are you ready to do?
Anything for love.
Anything for love, okay. Diyos ko. Okay, so...
Parang Ruby Cria yun, si Rock Diva.
Oo nga.
I would do anything for love.
Oo nga eh. So, anong mga susunod na projects?
Project we just did the diba, yung Aldrin's gig. Diba? Kasi Aldrin will be competing tomorrow for the TFC Cut.
That's right. Mag-represent niya yung UK sa TFC. It's very good, He won the Video Ke Challenge. Si Aldrin Draghi, siya ang champion ng Video Ke Challenge.
Pwede kaya siya mag-reinvent? I-reinvent yung sarili niya para wala siya sa shadow ng mga Pilipino ng mga singers.
I understand that because nowadays it's more of your the way how you look on stage. But the thing is, personally, I want to deal more on what kind of talent you have because that's most important thing. Kasi kung wala ka naman talent, anong i-improve mo sa'yo? Now, if there's a talent and you have something to improve, I mean, ang dami ng cosmetic surgery ngayon, ang dami ng mga fashion guru that you can ask.
In fairness, no, I like him. He's got a good voice quality, but pwede ba siya mag-iba ng genre? Like, for example, he can sing the songs of Josh Groban, so that he can compete for more. I mean, it's a big platform. But if you're going to limit yourself on, like, say, Basil or Nono,
I think extending your
platform, won't go that far, and also he has to find himself his own identity because he's got talent.
Yeah, that's why he's trying to be more particular with a particular singer that he wanted to perform like Basil Valdez, di ba? Kasi kung mag-iiba-iba ka ng estilo mo, okay lang yun if that's the need. Pero as of now that he's building himself, I think that's
maybe
good.
I could suggest maybe he can sing.
Music
if Arlen listening or watching, can you sing Broken Bows?
No problem, man. Actually, yung tanong mo sa akin, nagtanong din sa akin yan last time sa gig niya. Sabi niya, pwede pa rin siyang maging magbalit na nga ng genre. Kasi narinig ko siya kumanta ng We Will Rock You ng Queen. And actually, suitable naman sa boses niya rin. So, pwede niyang gawin yung ibang
And also, he can prepare himself to audition as Tui in Miss Saigon, di ba?
Pwede. Pa-musical talaga ang boses niya talaga.
Ang boses niya is pambato, di ba? Binabato yung boses niya.
Challenge bukas kasi tumawag sa amin ngayon. Medyo may problema yung boses niya. Parang hindi siya makakanta masyado. So, challenge niya bukas lumaban na dehado siya. So even if he wins it, then he's got it.
Do you know what you're gonna sing tomorrow?
You have to come here tomorrow to see.
Bulong mo na lang sa akin.
Hindi pwede.
Hindi pwede. Okay. Ayaw nung ng manager.
Anong pwede mong gawin? Okay, magkano ba? So,
Pagka na mahaba na yung edit.
teka muna. Wala pang revelation. Okay, confession.
Ano mo revelation?
Confession. And anong confession eh?
Paano yung mga what can you say about those mga nagpo-proliferate na mga video scandals niya?
Video?
It's video video sex scandal.
My message is don't pirate. You have to buy it.
Okay, yeah.
Director.
Gano'n natin gagawin yan. Sige, gawa tayo ng project. Anong gusto niyo? O sige, offer na. Ano gagawin natin? Project, music video, film, whatever.
Oh, why not? Music video. I saw your what you did with the Arena.
Yeah, you saw that. Okay.
Oh,
Did you see
something
the... What else we can do? Ano pang pwede natin gawin?
Well, we could always do Abra Part 2.
Abra, okay.
Or,
Abra part two.
another charity event,
Yeah, okay.
para makatulong sa ating mga
Saan natin gagawin yun? Sa Wembley? Sa Excel?
Well, that's a suggestion to have it in a bigger venue.
Of course, yeah.
We can do it siguro sa... what's that venue you used to use?
Yung sa Tufnell Park.
Oh, yeah.
That's possible.
Tufnell Park, we can... Yeah, she's here. Sabi niyo natin, it's Tita.
If she can give the venue for free, because normally when you hire a pub, it's a free venue.
Expensive to hire.
It's
The
not,
pub.
but the pub.
We can X-deal with them or something.
Next deal. What do you mean X deal? Can just...
X deal like
Diba may percentages sa bar o sa ticket
Oh
sales?
yeah, that's what we do also with the music room, yeah.
Oh, yung music room, yeah. How is that going?
Yeah, the music room, pahinga muna kami because... Ay! Akala ko si Hujo.
Nagulat naman ako dito.
sige, tapos na.
Okay, sige, tapos na. So, umati naman kayo sa mga pagkapanood natin sa Pilipinas. I-greet nyo naman yung George TV ko.
Yes.
Ano kasi sa kanya, he's from Side Project. Ikaw
So, on behalf of Side Projects, more power sa George TV and syempre, supportan natin ang ating mga director at ating mga artists and watch it from George TV. Peace.
In behalf of the Filipino community, the European Network of Filipino Diaspora, in partnership with the Side Project, who's been partnering with us with so many projects. So, more power to George TV, and we would like to support all the Filipino artists, our local artists here in the UK, na sana supportahan sila ng ating mga kababayan dito.
I'm enjoying the good people, the good weather, the foods, being with my girlfriend and my friends. Rhoda! She's too shy.
What?
I can't do anything else.
Yeah, what's the question?
So, how was it?
I was great, apart from the sun, it's too hot.
Did you enjoy your boyfriend today?
My boyfriend? I didn't enjoy the party that my
Did you enjoy
boyfriend.
today?
Yes, it was really nice. I really enjoyed it. I enjoyed all the community. Everyone was welcoming. Yeah. I tried last 2 years, but I couldn't. I was working. Portugal.
Portugal. Oh my God, Portuguese here.
Yeah. I don't need. Yeah, I tried everything, even the ballots. I tried.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
Kumati ho kayo, kumati.
Hello! Hello, Philippines! Hello, Philippines!
Hintay nyo! Wala na tong battery.
Hi! Eto kami, kulang sa shuttle bus.
Shuttle bus ang kailangan dito! Mabuhay Philippines!
Mga, lobat. Kala ko na lobat. Ay, lobat na ba yan?
It's working, kuya.
Saan nag-enjoy kayo?
Hello po, happy fiesta, Philippines.
How about you? Yeah. Did you enjoy?
Yes! I enjoyed! I enjoyed.
Oh, come on, you run quickly!
Hey! Masaya, masaya. Oh.
Yes!
Hello! Hi!
Nag-enjoy ho kayo?
Opo, busog. Enjoy ho kakapila.
Anong masasabi niyo ngayon sa bagong venue? Did you like it?
Malayo.
Wala makuha ng info dito.
Nag-Spanish na rin ang ano.
Kasi ako kayo, nag-enjoy ba kayo?
Enjoy po kami dito.
Enjoy na enjoy. Thank you.
ABS, man.
Thank you.
ABS. Hello, hi.
Hello. Happy Fiesta, Philippines. Enjoy po.
Enjoy na enjoy.
Pagod.
Hello. Hello, Philippines. Pila-pila lang pag may time. Hello.
Sorry naman kayo sa Pilipinas. Ano siya sa buhay?
Kaya swimming?
Wave mo kayo, wave.
Say no to drugs.
Okay.
Hello.
Ano masasabi niyo po today? Nag-enjoy kayo?
More buses, please.
Hirap maghintay.
What can you say about today's experience?
I love it. I love it. I love seeing Kim Chiu, Liam, and all the celebrities from the Philippines. It's really fun.
No complaints?
No, I actually love the food. I love everything about it. So yeah, it's really fun.
Don't be shy.
They're coming soon, by the way. They're coming soon.
Nanawagan po ako na hindi na kami mabalik.
Kami sa bus.
We are on TV. Sana po sa Auto Arena na sa sunod. Shout out sa mga bigas people. Pagkaya na po ng tatay nito. Kasi tatay namin pupunta. Guys.
Ano ba yan? Canada?
Canada needs you.
Sabihin mo ano yung feeling na nasa huli ka ng
Sasakay at hindi ka na makakauwi dahil wala nang
Ayun, may dumarating pang bus.
Wise.
Isang kayo. T-shirt kayo ng Ano yung mga buses?
Yan.
Thank you.
Ay, nagsupusin kami.
Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Ano masasabi niyo today? Nag-enjoy kayo?
Yeah, Kim Chu.
Napakaganda.
Sila, babalik-balik.
Ano, makikita kayo sa magsalita kayo sa Sino gusto niyo today?
Kim Chu, tsaka si Yan.
What about the other girl?
Angeline.
Angeline, you like her?
Yep. She's awesome. Only Kim Chu. Kim Chu with Gerald.
Yes.
Is this for IBS again?
No, it's George TV. YouTube, yeah. How are you? Nag-enjoy ba kayo today?
Yeah.
How was it?
It's really good.
Meron ba dito mga taga-Italy? Meron ba na shopping capital of the world? Asan? Asan yung mga tumawid, yung mga maraming pera? Naku, okay lang yan, itaas yung kamay nyo dahil kayo na talaga. Meron ba? So, meron tayo, ayan naku, ayan, paandar, syempre. The fashion capital of the world, ayan, mga galing Italy. Tapos meron ba ditong galing France? France! Naku talaga namang may baon, cheering squad. The only thing I know that's French is kiss. Oo, kaya nako. Hi po! Hello! At syempre, supportahan natin habang nandito siya ang magre-represent ng UK! Ayan,
mas maraming taga-UK. Kaya naman ako, sure ako talaga namang battle to battle ito. At hindi lang yan ha guys, pwede natin supportahan sila ng cheer. But definitely, ang mananalo po dito will be announced kasi meron pong mga hurado. So basically, medyo may konti tayong tulong dyan. She's 20 years old, born in the Philippines, who started singing at the age of 4 and joined talent searches as early as 6 years old. Yumanig ang Milan sa kanyang mala-ages na birit nung country finals. Ang pambato ng Italy mula sa Milan, mga kapamilya, to open our competition, let's all give a big round of applause for Laurishane Umali! Is a 24-year-old half French, half Filipina born in Cebu. Doon sila nagkita-kita, She won various singing contests individually and with her group. She's been a vocalist of Music Makers for 7 years now, and she wanted to show her talent to all people. Her dream is to be a renowned singer one day. TFC Cup has been her best experience so far, and she's hoping that TFC Cup will be her lucky break. Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from the City of Lights, Paris, let's give it up for Vanessa Monot!
Upo kayo. Oo, upo na. Nagkakaroon naman siya. Upo muna kayo dyan. Upo kayo dyan. Upo kayo. Upo kayo. Upo kayo. Upo kayo. Wala nga po na aming bangko naman yan. Kayo na po. Yan, amin po yan. Diyan ka pa saan? Ay, diyan pa sabi sa iyo, 4:30 na. Late ngayon, hapon po. Mga isang oras na. Ilang pa lang. Akala si Angelina na ilang kanta. Siguro si last daw si Vice. Si Richard naman kinakanta pa. Makakahapon sila. Madali. Kasi isang lang.
kasali, ito, I will announce them in, not in proper order. Pero sabihin ko na lang yung percentage. Okay. Ang una-una pong nakapasok ay garnering an average score of 89.33. Alright, syempre pa. Ang proud to be representative ng UK! Congratulations! At kayo ay naging magaling na representative ng inyong country. Okay, this time, ang isa pa sa pumasok from garnering an average score of 88.33. She's from France, Vanessa Monod! Alright. So, ito na ang pagkakataon na kung saan. Ay, congratulations din, syempre, kay Lori Shen Umali. Ayan. Pwede ka naman sumali ulit eh.
I'm good. Long time no see, Kuya.
Yeah, long time no see. So how's Barrio Fiesta today?
It's an awesome, you know. It's been like at home.
Yeah.
And you know, I think the venue is huge this year, but I think that's nice. The thing is, later it's gonna be hard to get home. Anyway,
we just come here. Let's get stranded.
Yes, I know.
Okay. What do you got? What you got? Are you promoting something? I know you're Miss Philippines. Mr. Philippines.
Yeah, we've been promoting Mr. Philippines for this year. It's gonna be happen on September 7 for the Mr. and Miss Philippines UK 2007. So if you guys wanted to watch Mr. and Miss Philippines on September 7, yeah, and I'll be in for Bikini Open as well. Mr. and Miss Bikini Open UK on August 3. Alright, because I will be previous winner, so we'll be handing over the title as well.
Did you win the Miss Bikini Open?
No, I was one of the runner-ups in 2011. So
okay.
Yeah.
What do you want to say to our Filipino kababayan abroad around the world?
To all Filipino around the world, I think they should come in London to experience, you know. And anyway, we miss Philippines, so I'll be in the Philippines soon on December. So I miss my family. I will spend my Christmas and New Year with my family. See ya.
Thank you very much.
All right. See ya.
I'm okay. I came here with my two kids and they went to the fun fair, so I'm on my own now. Looking for my friends. I don't know where are they. So anyway, I'm here promoting the Philippines Theatre UK, which is we're gonna have our upcoming show this coming autumn, which is From Heaven with Love. Yeah. So watch out, guys. So it's nice to be here. Thank you, Jess. Lovely to see you.
Okay.
Bye.
Very quickly, come on.